Nurturing Young Tech Enthusiasts. A guide for kids to dive into the tech world. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to explore. How kids can get into the amazing world of technology. If you're a young tech enthusiast, or a parent looking to support your child's tech interests, you're in the right place. We'll be sharing some fantastic insights and tips to help kids take their first steps into the tech world. Let's jump right in. The wonders of technology. Technology is all around us, from smartphones to smart homes, and it's shaping the future in incredible ways. It's not just about using gadgets, but understanding how they work, and even creating your own. So, kids, get ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of tech. Exploring different tech pathways. Tech is a vast universe with countless pathways. You can be a programmer crafting software, a gamer strategizing in virtual worlds, or a robotics enthusiast building your own machines. Whatever excites you, there's a tech field for you to explore. The magic of coding. Coding is like a superpower that lets you create anything you can imagine on a computer. There are cool platforms like Scratch and Blockly that make coding fun and interactive. Unleashing creativity with tech. Tech isn't just about logic, it's also a canvas for your creativity. With software for drawing, composing music, and editing videos, you can let your imagination run wild. Who knows, you might just create the next viral sensation. Staying safe and savvy online. As you dive into tech, remember that safety comes first. Protect your personal information, be cautious while interacting online, and always have a trusted adult in the loop. With great tech skills come great responsibilities. Bringing ideas to life. One of the best ways to learn tech is by doing. Start small, build a mini robot, or design a simple game. And guess what? There are online communities where you can share your projects, learn from others, and make tech-loving friends from around the world. And that's a wrap on our guide to getting started in the tech world. Remember, tech is for everyone, and the possibilities are limitless. We hope this video has ignited your curiosity and set you on an exciting path of discovery. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and keep innovating. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions or want to share your tech journey, leave a comment below. Stay curious, stay tech savvy, and we'll catch you in the next video. Stay awesome.